Welcome back. If regional plan is brought in force before ODPs, I would go for it. Do not want an increase in FAR in Calangute, Kandoli and Baga. NGPDA Chairman Michael Lobo clear to media. Lobo said he wants a regional plan which has people say in it. Opening of Talegaon and Mapsa ODPs has flooded PDA office with suggestions and alterations. PDA plans to conduct site inspections as per inputs of people and hire retired town planners to execute the job. Lobo claims he is not part of financing the third front.
जो तर रिजनल प्लॅन त्याच्या पयलीं स्टार्ट जाता कित्याक म्हाका FAR इन्क्रीज करपाचें ना कलंगूट कांदोली भागा ही रिजनल प्लॅन जो तर स्टार्ट जाता काम रिजनल प्लॅनाचें परतून जाल्यार ODP आय विल नॉट ब्रिंग इन कलंगूट कांदोली भागा आय वॉन्ट अ प्लॅन टू कम आउट वीच वील हॅव पीपल से ऑन दॅट लोकांनी थिंगा पॉयंट आउट करूंक जाय कितें कितें जाय पळय तें तालिगांव ODP आमी ओपन केल्या म्हापसा ODP आमी ओपन केल्या आनी हे दोनूय ODPचे इतले आमकां हे येयल्ले आहा सजेशन आनी ऑब्जेक्शन आर म्हाका दिसता फायली बरोवन आनीक एक्स्ट्रा फायली हाडच्यो पडल्या आमकां म्हणजे इतले आनी वी वॉन्ट टू एग्जामीन दीस बाय गोईंग फॉर सायट इन्स्पेक्शन आतां कोणें जर तर कितें ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलां कितें सजेशन दिलां वी वील गो एंड इन्स्पेक्ट इट वी हॅव लिमिटेड स्टाफ सो वी हॅव डिसायडीड ऑल्सो टू टेक इवन जे रिटायर्ड स्टाफ आहा टावन प्लॅनर आहा रिटायर्ड एसिस्टंट टावन प्लॅनर्स रिटायर्ड आहा तांकां घेवपाचें आमी प्लॅनिंग केल्लें आहा तुमकां आमी हिंगाच आसतले तुमी थिंगाच आसतले जेन्ना ODP फायनल करतले आमी आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक धाडटले तुमकां दाखयता मरे थर्ड फ्रंटाचे हितून कांयच ना जे कोण पयशे थर्ड फ्रंटाक दिवपाचो आहा तो दिवन काडटले भायल्या भायर मायकल लोबो तितून ना पयशे दिवपाक.
Trucks and tempos left unemployed due to ban on Maggi have now targeted Ponda Goods Transport Association and their trips. All unemployed goods vehicles are from Bicholi. They say Goans are struggling for trips while Ponda Association have stuffed non-Goan good vehicle owners who bluntly violate RTO rules. PI of Ponda held a meeting with North Goa Trucks and Tempo Owner Association. Meeting concluded on a consensus that both the associations would get alternate trips.
कितले पर्यंत हे आसा परमिशन एक्चुअली गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या हिशोबान 8 फीट आहा हेचे ऑलमोस्ट 10 फीटाची आसा नाव पवन श्रीश्याम रोड लाईन आणि मिनिस्टराचे नाव त्यांचं सांगता तुमकां ताणें सुदीन ढवळीकराचें नाव सांगलां आणि हेचें सांगलां पर्रीकराचें नाव सांगलां म्हणजे त्यांच्या पैसे दिता म्हणून ते आपल्या हातीन आसा अशें तेंचें म्हणणें.
आमच्या हांगासर गोंयांत 25% गाडयो आसा आनी 75% आउट ऑफ गोवा गाडयो चलता आमच्या गाडयांक प्रायोरिटी बी दिना कांय ना आनी हे भायल्यो गाडयो ज्यो आहा ओवरलोड भरून येता तेंच्यो गाडयो ओवर सायज व्हेहिकल आहा कितें आमच्या पेक्षा व्हडल्यो गाडयो तेंच्यांनी RTO आनी आमकां आमचो RTO हांगासर पासिंग दिना आमी RTOक जर कळयले जाल्यार RTO आमकां रिस्पॉन्स दिवंक ना कितें
निर्णय कितें जाला तुमचो
निर्णय आतां साहेबान हांगासर आमकां कितें निर्णय दिला आमी फोंडा पुलीस स्टेशनार येयला ते तेंच्यांनी अशें सांगलां की आमची एक गाडी भरपाची भायली एक गाडी भरपाची अंडरलोड गाडयो भरपाच्यो ओवरलोड गाडयो भरपाच्यो ना आनी रेटीचे कितें आहा ते स्टेबल करपाक लागून ट्रान्सपोर्टरांक टायम दिवचो तर आमी तेजेर एग्री जाल्या सद्या तरी
त्यांच्यो गाड्यो लागच्यो हे कितें सद्या मंदी मार्केटा खातीर मंदी मार्केटा लागून त्यांच्यो गाड्यो लागना म्हणटकीच ते वॉन्टेड एमिकेबल सोल्युशन की बाबा थोड्यो त्योय गाड्यो लावच्यो
तेंची पयली गाडी नेस्ले बंद जाल्या कारणान प्रॉब्लेम जाला
नेस्ले बंद जाल्या कारणान तेंच्यो एक्सेस गाड्यो उरल्यो म्हणून तेंच्यो गाड्यो खंय लागना जाल्यो म्हणटकीच ते वॉन्टेड हांगा येवपाक जाय आसले पण जितली आउटगो इनकमींग जे गाडयो आहा ते जर थरोली जर वेट नाजाल्यार डॉक्युमेंट चेक केले जाल्यार हे इतले पडले बॉल जो आयज जाला हांगा जावपाक नाशिल्लो.
GCA poll results will be out on Tuesday. The High Court is likely to declare it on Tuesday. GCA has stated before the High Court that it has no objection with the GCA election process. GCA has also stated that it will not challenge or oppose outcome of the election. The whole election process was completed under the High Court Appointment Election Committee. GCA Election Committee has submitted its report to the High Court.
In an affidavit filed on the behalf of GCA, President Dr. Shekhar Sarkar has stated that association has no objections with the election procedures or outcome of the election that was held on 20th June. GCA has stated that election was held on 20th June following High Court directions. Dr. Sarkar in the affidavit has mentioned that he has approached the Supreme Court, but the Apex Court refused to intervene in the matter. Now, the GCA Managing Committee has decided not to oppose or challenge outcome of the election. Election committee appointed by the High Court has submitted its report. Chetan Desai was elected as unopposed for the post of president, but the High Court is yet to declare the result. The High Court is likely to declare the result and dispose of the petition on Tuesday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Panji police on Monday filed charges against accused UK national Timothy from before Panji Children's Court. Police has charged Timothy under Section 8 of Goa Children's Act for illegal custody of minors. Panji police on 16 March over the complaint made by NGO URS had rescued 6 boys from his rented residence at Bamholi, out of which 4 boys were minors. Some boys were also HIV positive. The NGO URS had alleged this case as suspect of pedophilia, but Panji police in its investigation did not find any evidence of pedophilia. Hence, the police has not charged Timothy for any type of sexual abuse with the rescued minor boys. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.